Hi everyone. In this video, we will see zeros of a polynomial. What is zero of a polynomial? A real number k is said to be zero of a polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. So there is a polynomial p of x. There is a polynomial p of x. If we take the value of p of x at k, if we take the value of p of x at k, that means at x is equal to k. When we substitute k in place of x, if the value is 0, then that k is called 0 of the polynomial. So a real number k is said to be a 0 of the polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. When we substitute k in place of x, if we get the value of the polynomial as 0, then that value of k is called 0 of the polynomial. Let us see some examples here. Let us find the values of a polynomial p of x at x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. Let us check whether we will get the value of polynomial as 0. If we get the value of polynomial as 0, then that value of x is called the 0 of the polynomial. The value of x for which the value of polynomial is 0 is called the 0 of the polynomial. Now the given polynomial here is p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. Now at x equal to 3, that means p of 3. P of 3 is 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 3. This is 9 minus 6 minus 3. So this is 0. The value of the polynomial is 0. So at this place, the value of x is called 0 of the polynomial. This is 0 of x square minus 2x minus 3. Let us see at x equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 whole square is 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, then minus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. So here also we got the value of the polynomial as 0. So the value of x here, x equal to minus 1 is called 0. Now let us take x equal to 2. At x equal to 2, so p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 3. This is equal to 4 minus 4 minus 3. So this is minus 3. Here the value of polynomial is minus 3. So x equal to 2 is not 0 of the polynomial. Here we have got two zeros. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1. A polynomial with degree 2 can at most have two zeros. So we have obtained two zeros here. Let us say one more example. Let p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Find the value of p of 1, p of 2, p of 3 and obtain the zeros of the polynomial p of x. So p of x is the given polynomial x square minus 4x plus 3. Now let us find p of 1. Substitute 1 in place of x. So 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3. So this becomes 1 minus 4 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we have got value of the polynomial as 0. The value of polynomial is 0 here. So the value of x we have taken. X is equal to 1. This is the 0 of the polynomial. Now let us take p of 2. P of 2 is equal to, so substitute 2 in place of x in p of x. 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. This becomes 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So minus 8 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Here the value of polynomial is minus 1. We have not got 0. So x equal to 2 is not 0 of this polynomial. Now p of 3. P of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3. 3 square is 9. Minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 plus 3. So here 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Here we have got the value of polynomial as 0. So the value of x taken here, x is equal to 3. This is the 0 of the polynomial. The polynomial here is x square minus 4x plus 3. So this has zeros. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. A quadratic polynomial can at most have two zeros. We have obtained two zeros here. Another question, check whether minus 3 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 9. X square minus 9. Let us say it is p of x. Let p of x is equal to x square minus 9. It has only two terms, x square term and constant term. X term is missing here. There need not be three terms always. Even if there is only one term or two terms, it is called a quadratic polynomial. The x square term is must in quadratic polynomial. Now let us see p of minus 3. P of minus 3 is equal to, instead of x we write minus 3. So minus 3 square minus 9. Minus 3 square is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. The value of polynomial here is 0. So the value of x we have chosen here is minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 is called the 0 of the polynomial. Now let us check for plus 3. P of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 9. instead of x, we write 3 here. 3 square is 9 minus 9. It is equal to 0. The value of polynomial is 0 here. So the value of x we have taken, that is x is equal to 3. This is the 0 of the given polynomial. So the polynomial x square minus 9 has 2 zeros. The polynomial x square minus 9 can at most have 2 zeros. We have obtained 2 zeros here. X is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 3. See you in next video.